Hi, now, we will discuss technologies of repair of wind turbine blades. To investigate different repair technologies, laminate plates were damaged, and then repaired, by experienced technician. Then, the plates were tested, and microscopic analysis of structures was carried out. The following technologies have been studied. Hand layup lamination, vacuum repair with hand layup, vacuum repair with infusion, ultraviolet repair with handheld, portable, continuous UV spectrum curing, ultraviolet repair, stationary device, high-temperature thermal curing with vacuum. The technologies were selected by practical repair team. We at DTU developed a multi-scale computational model of repaired blade, taking into account the scarf geometry, and also porosity in the adhesive. As expected, larger voids increase stress concentration in adhesives, and shorten the post-repair lifetime. Here, you can see the list of our publications in this area. Feel free to drop me a line if you need some of them.